This 2021 Forest River Sandpiper SAF379FLOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 42 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep's 6, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, TV antenna, external shower, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, skylight, self-contained, refrigerator, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Sandpiper SAF379FLOK is 13,433 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.